Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a muzzle flash to your videos completely for free. The techniques discussed in this video will work in just about any editor or visual effects software, but I'm going to be using HitFilm, which is a free visual effects compositing and editing software, and I've left a link below so you can go check it out. For this effect you'll need some footage of your actor shooting a gun. You'll also need some stock footage assets of muzzle flashes and some gun smoke. I'm using some assets from ActionVFX, which I've put a link below to the ones that I used, but you could also use some free assets from Production Crate, or anywhere else if you want. Once you've recorded your footage, you want to import that into HitFilm and then create a composite shot out of the footage of your actor shooting a gun. Then find the moment that you want the gun to be fired, which for me is just here where the light starts kicking in and then the gun moves in the next frame. Then you want to add your muzzle flash asset and drag it to start where the playhead is. Then move one forward, grab the slice tool and cut it off, so the muzzle flash is only one frame long. Select your muzzle flash asset and move the position to be at the barrel of the gun. Play around with scale to get something that you prefer. Set the blend mode to add. This will overblow it a bit and also get rid of kind of that dark halo that was around the outside. Alternatively, you could set it to screen, which will make it slightly more subtle, but I prefer how it looks on add. To add the gun smoke, you basically do the same thing by importing your gun smoke into the timeline, go to the frame where you want the gun smoke to start, and then position it to where you need it to come from. Then I set the blend mode of my smoke to screen. This just kind of removes that dark halo once again. Because this is quite a high quality asset and I'm importing it into a 1080p composite, I'm just going to subtly blur the smoke a bit because it's a little bit too clear for where it is in the shot. To add a bit more momentum to the muzzle flash, you could add a zoom blur from the effects tab and just add this to the muzzle flash and then change the position point for the center to being at the other end of the gun. Then the final step is to add a grade, which will just tie everything together. That step's kind of optional and you don't really have to do it, but it does help to polish off the shot. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did then please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or tutorial suggestions then please leave a comment down below. Hope to see you next time, goodbye.